morning, everyone. So today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a neon clown makeup tutorial for Halloween. So I'm very excited about this. I'm bringing back the neon. I kind of like this idea, so I might do more because I have a little bit more ideas that I could do with this. I think it would be super fun, so we'll find out. I definitely have other stuff too, and I'm going to get a little bit more effects heavy since it is officially October. So we're officially in spooky season, so I do really want to get into some of those like wounds and gashes and like all that gross fun stuff. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start the video now. I'm gonna go into the voiceover and I will see you all at the end. Alright, so the first step of this makeup look was to outline just my face in all white. I wanted it to feel very clown-like, very like cosmetic. And so to do that, you know, you gotta cover your face in white. After this, I used black and I created a diamond shape on both of my eyes. This was a little bit hard to do with the white underneath. It kind of made it a little bit more gray. So I would kind of recommend going over it a few times or just leaving out the shape on the white part of your face so that you can like do the diamond better. I also would recommend using a thinner brush because it makes it easier to get those sharp angles. After that, I just did a really over-exaggerated outline of my mouth, and I just brought the corners out really wide so that it would look as if I were smiling even when I wasn't, and so it would give that outline, you know, pointed upwards. I made it really sharp so that it would look really clean, and that's essentially those first steps. The next thing that I did was draw a really small black circle on the tip of my nose, almost like a little mini clown nose. After this, I started to outline all the black spots on my face, so the mouth, nose, and the two diamonds around my eyes with neon green paint. This is water-based face paint, and I used the neon green color. It comes in like a little palette. So I just took a really thin brush and I outlined those shapes around my face, and I just tried to make it as sharp and as close as possible. I wanted it to be thin so that it wasn't taking up too much space, but also thick enough where it could obviously be seen both in the light and off, you know, when it was not on. And then after that, I decided to take pink and I drew a little heart on the left side of my face, right on my cheek. And then I also drew a circle around my nose, in the green, but on the inside of that circle, on top of that black, I drew a little X. And then after that, I decided to use the neon blue. I just was having a lot of fun with the colors, so I wanted to add more, and I drew an upside down triangle on the other side of my cheek. I didn't really have a reason for it, I just felt like shapes were kind of fun, and that added to the look. And then I drew another circle in blue on my nose, so there were like a lot of different colors going on there that added to the look. This is the final look, so I'm just going to add a few finishing touches and then we'll get into the montage. Thank you so much for watching. This is the conclusion. I didn't really have a wig that I liked all that much, so that's why I kind of like took it off. Like you couldn't really see the face all that much, and I didn't want to use my natural hair because it didn't look right, so I'm leaving this on. But anyway, so this is the neon makeup look, and as you can see, it also does glow under black light, which is super fun, I think, and could be really cool for like, you know, Halloween parties or whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below.